Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making Nigerian fried rice. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to like this video, leave your comment for me and share. Okay, so guys, let's get started. And here are my ingredients for this fried rice. So I have my chicken here. I've already washed it. And here is my green pepper. This I'll be using to prepare my rice. Okay, and here is my liver. You will agree with me that there is no Nigerian fried rice without liver. Okay, this is not up for any argument. And here are my vegetables. I have my green onions here. I have my carrots, my red and green bell pepper. I have my scotch bonnet pepper I'll be using to cook my meat. I also have my garlic there. And here is my sweet corn. So guys, let's start cooking our meat. And to that I have here my pot. I'm going to be adding in my meat in the pot now. To all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing to this beautiful channel. Thank you for believing in me. You're welcome to this amazing channel. On this channel we do everything food and food. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always and always stopping by to support your girl. So now I'm going to be adding in my pepper. Here is a mixture of pepper, onions and garlic. I will add in my curry powder now. And then I'll be adding in oregano. You can use thyme if that is what you have. I will add in my seasoning cube. I'm using the Maggi chicken here. I'm going to add in water, okay? And then I'm going to stir this and I will allow this to cook. Okay, this cooked for about 15 minutes. So guys, this is not soft chicken, this is the hard chicken. Okay, that was why it took a long time to cook. So I'm just going to cover this and allow this meat to cook, and while this meat is cooking I'll be preparing my vegetable. And guys, our meat is cooked now. I'm going to take this out. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like, and let me know where you're watching from so that I will give you a shout out in my next video. So in the same pot I'm going to be heating up some oil. And once the oil is hot enough, I'll add in my onions. And then I will go in with some spice. I used Italian spice here. Sorry, I didn't capture that part. I thought I did. I'm going to mix this very well. And now I'll be adding in my pepper mix. This is green pepper, spring onions, that's the green onions, and then garlic. I'll add in my seasoning cube. I'm going to stir this now. I will allow this to fry until everything releases its oil, its flavor in the oil. Okay, guys, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? Have you don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, okay? And also leave your thoughts in the comment section, okay? It's very important. So now that everything has fried, I'll be adding in my washed rice. I'm using the regular rice here. I'm going to be frying this rice for about 7 to 8 minutes, okay? Don't forget to keep an eye in your rice, okay? Don't just fry and leave it. Keep an eye and stir at interval. So now that our rice is fried, I'll be adding in my meat stock. I'll go in with water. I'm going to use some water to rinse this plate, okay? So that's my food processor. I use some water to rinse it because some peppermints are still remaining there. So now I'm going to mix this, okay? Then I will add in water, okay? Let the water be slightly above the rice. I'll add in some salt, just a little salt. Please be careful the way you add in your salt. Remember there is meat stock here. And we also seasoned our peppermint, okay, when we are frying it. So be careful the way you add in salt so that you will not over salt your food. And I'll just mix this, cover and let it cook on low heat. Emphasis on low heat so that it will not get burnt, okay? And so that it can cook, you don't have to be topping in more water, okay? So that it will cook with the water in the pot. And guys, our rice is cooked now. Look how yummy this rice is already looking like. We are not done yet, okay? So I'm just going to flop this now, and then I will take it down and we'll start frying our vegetables, or rather preparing our vegetables. It's frying our vegetables, right? Guys, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? Have you shared this video? Have you you see how separate this rice came out? That's the essence of frying your rice, okay? And also it's going to enhance the flavor of this rice. So now in a dried pan, I'm going to be heating up some vegetable oil because I want to fry my chicken, okay? I'm going to be frying my chicken. The oil is hot now. I'm going to be adding in my chicken. Guys, I'm going to fry this chicken off camera, okay? And once I'm done frying, then I will come back and continue cooking our food. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, okay? And if you want to thank me for that, you can always use the thanks button to appreciate your girl, okay? And don't forget to comment where you're watching me from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. So now I'm done frying my chicken. I'm going to proceed to frying my liver. Some people do not actually like liver in their fried rice. Let me know in the comment section if you are one of those that doesn't like liver in their fried rice. And once this liver is fried, I'll add in my onions. And then I'll add in my carrot. I'm starting first with the strong vegetables, okay? I'm going to stir, allow this to fry for about 2 minutes, okay? And 2 minutes later, I'll add in my sweet corn. I'm going to fry this sweet corn in less than a minute. Don't forget that I'm frying my vegetables on high heat. I'm frying this on high heat, not on medium or low heat. High heat so that it doesn't get soft, okay? So that it doesn't cook, doesn't like soak in oil. That's why I'm frying them on high heat. So I'm just going to go in with my seasonings now. I added my remaining onions. Then I'll go in with some curry powder, just a little bit of curry powder. That is enough. I'll also add in thyme. I'll add in my bell peppers now. That's my green and red bell pepper. I'm going to mix this now and I'll allow this to fry for just a minute, okay? Guys, I hope you have subscribed. Have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Please click on the like button, okay? If you are watching me now and you have not liked this video, please click on the like button, okay? To like the video is free. There is no charges at all. Click on the like button and like my video, okay? So now I'm going to add in my fried vegetable into our cooked rice. And then I'm just going to mix everything together to properly combine, okay, so that the vegetables and the rice can marry each other very well. And guys, here we have it, our fried rice is ready. See here, I'm so sorry about the quality of this video. Nepa took light at some point, so that's why it looks like the video is kind of dark. Please pardon me, this is what I deal with here, but your girl have to create content. If I keep waiting for these Nepa people, I will not have any content to create, okay? Please pardon me and help me manage this. I don't have a generator yet, planning to get one. My money is not complete yet, okay? And this is what you have. Believe me, this rice came out so yummy. so delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave your comment for me, okay? Like and comment, guys, it's very important. Thank you for watching. Bye.